Hey Josh, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic all on your own. Also, this video will explain what you have going behind the scenes and also give you an understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of your company here. I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The 3 points or categories, I should say, are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, Josh. It's a good website. It's a simple website, of course. The colors are great. The photos are great. And you have a beautiful layout. These aren't clickable. You might want to, have this text clickable. As you can well imagine, easy navigation for the end user is key for a good website. This will bring you back to the home page here. I don't see any content on your home page, so not enough content, Josh. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves the level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. And again, inside of Google, if in your 1,500 words of content, Josh, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are pretty much just words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping, which we did a little bit of homework, and around your area in Bend, Oregon, there is a high volume of search, or I should say searches for your services, landscaping. This is exactly how we found you. Not on top of the list, but we decided to reach you and let you know, just give you an understanding. However, just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, for backlinks and citations, let's jump into arrows. This is a pay tool, of course. If you don't mind paying for it, you could use this to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. You currently have 12 keywords. On a monthly basis, there's no people jumping onto your website organically, unfortunately. Referring domain 1, backlinks 2. The UR meter 3.7 and the DR at a 0. The UR and DR meter here, these two ratings, is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these ratings is through backlinks and citations. A backlink, Josh, is pretty much a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. This could be as simple as a hyperlink, meaning, I'm sure you've seen them where there's text and you click on that specific word and it'll transfer you to your website. That's pretty much what a backlink is. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and DR meter here at a 1:1 ratio. It's good practice. Google will actually place you, will give you a preference, give your website a preference when comparing to other websites. Just keep that in mind. Let's go on to one of your competitors. Looks like these guys are getting all the attention. Here you'll notice they don't have a lot of content on their homepage, but they do have some, along with powerful backlinks. So Blake and Sons Landscaping, you see here, this is their website. So this is what they currently have behind the scenes. 43 keywords. This is very important. Traffic in a monthly basis, they're getting around 100. They can do better, and I'll show you in just a second why. Referring domains 15, backlinks 134. the UR 3.3 and the DR 0.6. So this is not a lot of power, but it's enough with strong backlinks to be on top of the list. This is what I want to show you here, 43 keywords. This is a list of keywords inside of their website. With this keyword alone, landscaping Bend, Oregon, this keyword has a search volume on a monthly basis of 300 a month. It's not hard to rank according to the keyword difficulty here. Bend landscaping, another good one, 150. The whole point of SEO is to boost up relevance on your website, to make it powerful, so search engines could, ideally give your website preference. So with just this keyword alone as 300, imagine these 300 people are finding you instead. It's a good SEO is good practice. If not, if you're only looking for a project in regards to a website, you might want to throw in some on-page SEO on there. Sometimes it's just enough to get some traffic. That's I want to say it's not always the case, but it's good. Why not have it on there? You're not going to pay more for it. You should have it on your website alone, just on-page SEO. If you're into hardscaping, of course, this is another good keyword, Pavers Bend, Oregon. 100 search volume a month. Keyword difficulty, not a lot, not high. Keywords like Blick and Sons, this is actually their company name, but Landscaping Bend, Oregon, another good one. Not a lot of search volume, but why not, right? Actually, that's Landscaping in Oregon. Not that great. You get the idea. If you are to follow these tips and tricks, Josh, you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls. Who doesn't want that, right? Well, Josh, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. This way I won't keep sending you these follow-up emails, okay? Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thanks for your time, Josh. I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.